Scans show retaking those sectors is a lost cause. Bombardment from orbit risks collateral damage, so we need a more targeted approach. Commandeer a Nova Cannon implosive warhead from the Navy supplies in the Astra Militarum depot and deliver the payload by rail. We shall collapse the superstructure from below.
As the Codex dictates. Advance to the Militarum depot to requisition payload.
Effective range just dropped sharply, brothers. The battle disturbs Avarax's arid landscape. Dust squalls can arise with little warning. If conditions obscure the path, look for the flashing guideposts.
Found some of the chittering boss.
Atmospheric conditions have returned to normal.
Advance when it is clear.
Port available. What needs grappling?
Adjusting more space at close proximity.
Let them call for help, short. Finished and ready. No hope and no wings.
Atmospheric conditions have returned to normal.
The dust storm has settled.
Too much damage. I do not need my sight to crush high beasts.
Stealth ready. The dust storm has settled.
Inserting fresh magazine. Camelio line engaged. Camelio line cloak ready.
These storms will strip our colors right down to the ceramite. The dust storm has settled. Camp feels downright roomy after all that smothering dust. Readying next volley. They shall not. Stealth ready.
Xenos organ is reloading.
Bless the apothecary. I get to even the death toll today. Feel its range is full of fire.
Lieutenant, we have arrived at the ammo dump.
Activate the quartermaster's console and wake the machine spirit. Instruct it to load the implosive warhead onto the train and assist it when necessary.
Swapping out magazine. Munitions here.
On the size blessings, Quartermaster. Awaiting your instructions.
This is Scipio's. Load a Nova cannon implosive warhead onto the supply train.
Acknowledged. Commencing transfer. Attention. Services not found. Operators required to complete the transfer process.
Reloading. Closing the gap. Some more. Grapple launcher set. What needs grappling?
Authorization granting, machine spirit. Good. Escort the payload to the train. Depot blueprints reveal a lift that should take us to the station.
9-1, we need for help. Silence them. Launch. Stay dead, funny. Take what you can carry. Gather at my locals, desolate body. Where is the fight? We are angels of death.
For the Emperor.
The only thing better than a chainsaw is two chainsaws.
For the Emperor. For the Omnicide. Gunstrike ready to deploy.
I crave a bloodbath or a blood shower. Reap the Emperor's foes. Tyranid slime
Explosion looks like from an aerial viewpoint.
fight smooth and damn great. Bridge is up. Got the next book available.
Storms will strip our colors right down to the ceramite. Terminal looks empty.
Obstruction detected. Removal is required to commence.
I will see it through.
Our pathway is open. Decimus reporting. Where is the fight? The only thing better than a chainsword is two chainswords.
Meteor line
Arming up.
Active camouflage charged.
Seeking finished and ready.
Not found. Receiving smash.
Swapping out magazine. Fragmenting safe. Into the more death. Finished and ready.
Stealth ready.
Departmental editorial orbits transfer. 3639 merging complete. Manifest updated.
Trying to stop my range.
Waiting on you for the Emperor.
The only
Fully on
thing
this side.
better than a chainsaw. We are angels of death.
Reloading.
The Codex demands action.
Lieutenant, payload is delivered.
Good. Deploy it.
Into the Bury those hive abominations.
Engine power depleted. Initiating charging cycle. Regulatory penalties will be assessed.
Well, of course the Forsaken power is depleted.
Talassa, I have multiple swarms moving to your location. You have their attention. Deal with them swiftly. We will not get another shot at this.
Do not let the vile vermin destroy the warhead. And us.
Let us ambush the Tyranids on those tramways. Our engine will make a purge the abhorrent seagulls from the train. Post haste, sir.
Preparing stand by. Dispatches, please stand by. Motive power, child dispatches. Return to your stations. Engine charge at 50%.
Link your armor to the Mechanicus device. You will need to keep close proximity to the charging station until the reset is complete.
Charging system detected. Engine seal requested to perform restoration. Establishing diagnostic connection.
That damn thought! Ordnance on me!
Charging station. Praise to the machine board for this blessed gift. Charging system detected. Engine seal requested. Restoration.
Fill your packs, brothers! Closing the gap!
Corrected. Power connection restored. Raise and beyond side. Engine charged to 75%. Dispatcher. The engine is charged and prepared for departure.
Deploy immediately.
Cannot wait to see this!
On this side.
Warhead out!
Detonation in 5. Brace for shockwave.
Eat a million tons of plastic!